Did you know those humble oats in your pantry pack more protein than you might think? Oats, often overshadowed by more glamorous protein sources, are quietly holding their own in the protein department. 1 cup of cooked oats boasts around 5 to 6 grams of protein. This might not seem like much compared to a chicken breast, but when combined with other protein-rich foods, oats can significantly contribute to your daily protein intake. Oats are not just about protein, they are a complete package of nutrients. They contain essential amino acids, crucial for muscle repair and growth, and are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating oats into your diet can be incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or use them in baking. It's time to give oats the recognition they deserve. Enjoy your oats, knowing that you're making a healthy, protein-packed choice. We all know that protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, especially when aiming for a transformation. Oats, with their decent protein content, can certainly play a role. They provide a steady release of energy, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which can help manage cravings and support weight management goals. Plus, oats are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and contributes to a healthy gut, further supporting your transformation journey. While oats offer a respectable amount of protein, it's important to remember they can't single-handedly meet your daily protein needs. Depending on your activity level and goals, you'll likely need additional protein sources throughout the day. Think of oats as a valuable player on your protein team, not the solo star. Now let's break down oats' nutritional profile. They're a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy. Oats shine in their fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, known for its heart-healthy benefits. They also offer essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and zinc. However, compared to protein powerhouses like chicken breast or Greek yogurt, oats fall a bit short in terms of protein concentration. The power of protein partnerships. Oats and beyond. Here's the key. Combining oats with other protein sources creates a nutritional powerhouse. Think of it like this. Oats provide the foundation, a slow-burning fuel source, while additional protein sources enhance muscle building and repair. This dynamic duo ensures you're getting a steady stream of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, throughout the day. Finding the right balance oats in a holistic diet plan. Oats are a versatile and nutritious grain that can play a significant role in a holistic diet plan. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Achieving a balanced diet means incorporating a variety of food groups. Oats can be a key component, providing essential nutrients that support digestion, heart health, and sustained energy. Incorporate oats as part of a well-rounded diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Start your day with oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and nuts, or use oats for homemade granola bars. Oats and Whey, a powerful protein punch. One of my favorite ways to supercharge my morning oats is with a scoop of whey protein. Whey is a fast-digesting protein that's perfect for post-workout or as a quick and easy way to boost your protein intake. Plus, it blends in seamlessly with oats, creating a creamy and delicious breakfast bowl. Oats and plant-based proteins. A winning combination for vegans. For my plant-based pals, fear not. Oats pair beautifully with plant-based protein sources like chia seeds, hemp seeds, nuts, and nut butters. These additions not only amp up the protein content, but also add healthy fats, fiber, and a boost of flavor and texture. Timing is key. When to enjoy your oats for maximum benefit. While oats are a great breakfast staple, don't limit yourself to just mornings. They make a great pre- or post-workout snack, providing sustained energy and aiding in muscle recovery. You can even enjoy them as a comforting and nourishing dinner option with savory toppings. Oatmeal Inspiration, delicious and easy recipes to get you started. Need some oatmeal inspiration? The possibilities are endless. Oatmeal is a versatile and nutritious breakfast option that can be customized to suit any taste or dietary preference. Get creative with toppings like fresh or frozen fruit. Fresh strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or even sliced bananas can add a burst of natural sweetness and a pop of color to your bowl. Nuts, seeds, and spices can elevate your oatmeal. Try adding mixed nuts like almonds or walnuts for a satisfying crunch. A sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg can transform the flavor profile. A dollop of yogurt or nut butter can make your oatmeal creamy and rich. Greek yogurt adds extra protein, while nut butters provide a smooth, nutty taste. For a savory twist, try topping your oats with an egg. A poached or fried egg can add a deliciously runny yolk, creating a creamy and savory dish. Enjoy your delicious and easy oatmeal creations. Join the oat revolution. Oats, while not a solo protein superhero, are a valuable sidekick in your body transformation journey. Embrace their versatility, experiment with different combinations, and enjoy the delicious and nutritious ride to a healthier you.